Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm gonna do another video. I haven't done a video like this in a while because the subject's simply too heartbreaking to talk about. But I think it is needed, and if someone sees it and it makes a difference, then it was worth it. Um, and it's about the most important issue facing our country right now, and that is COVID 19. In the past week, the United States of America added 1 million new cases of COVID. 1 million. We went from 10 million a week ago to 11 million today, according to Johns Hopkins. For perspective, it took 3 months to go from 0 to 1 million back at the beginning of the pandemic. And we did it in 1 week. Uh, right now, the virus is spreading more rapidly than it did in the spring. Hospitalizations are up, deaths are skyrocketing. This virus is out of control. This is the fall surge that everyone feared. And it is here, and it is bad, and it is only going to get worse. I understand that Thanksgiving, for many people, is a holiday tradition, a holiday they cherish, and it's their favorite holiday. But, folks, it is simply not worth it. This year, I urge you, please forego the big formal gathering. Sitting around a table, closely packed, indoors, eating is simply not safe and not what needs to be happening right now in this country, especially with elderly people and the most vulnerable. And it's not just you're putting at risk. It is people in the community. You may be able to, go through COVID and have mild, non symptomatic symptoms. And if you're that lucky, wow. But what about the people that you give it to? The other people that come into contact with you that contract it, and the people that they pass it to. What if they die? Was it really worth it? That giblet gravy, that turkey and dressing, was it really worth it? Once we get through this, you can have those gatherings again. And you can have those special family memories that come from those type of events. But if we don't make it through it, or if you have one this year, you may not ever have another because of what comes. We have to right now get a handle on this virus because this type of spread is unsustainable. And back in the spring, people didn't take the precautions they should have. And people did not listen to the health experts, and these are the consequences. We have to get this under control, or this nation is going to go through a very dark and bad winter. I am urging people and begging you, please limit your gatherings, social distance, wash your damn hands, and wear a goddamn mask. It's not complicated, and when you wear a mask, wear it correctly. I will post a video tomorrow on the correct way to wear a mask, if need be. But we have to get this under control or we're going to go careening off the cliff. I, I always wear a mask when I'm in public, and I see people wearing them or wearing them incorrectly, and it drives me nuts. The mask, as has been said so many times, is not to protect you, but it's to protect others around you. And the CDC and every health expert says that if we all wear masks and if we all can get a handle on this, that will do so much to stop the spread and save lives. So I'm urging you, please, please skip Thanksgiving and probably limit your Christmas gathering because the stakes are simply too high. It's the patriotic thing to do. It's the American thing to do. If not doing it for, um, you know, yourself, do it for your country. Do it for your fellow man. I'm not a religious person, uh, but I'm quite scared right now, and I really haven't been many times during this virus. I've always known the threat of it, but the fear of how prevalent it is to the general community right now has never been more real. And it's because of just how absolutely out of control it is. And I fear that people have let their guard down. I'm just real worried. And please continue to think about those frontline healthcare workers because they are out there waging a war. And we need to do everything we can to support them and make their job easier uh, because they're heroes um, and they're waging a battle. So, thanks.